The cybersecurity talent crisis, your secret weapon for combating that, is already here. Hello, my name is Tim McDermott and I am a senior IT project manager specializing in cybersecurity, and I live in the hill country of Texas, and I'm out here in Kerrville in a park called Elm Creek Park, and there's some nice mountains behind me. There's actually some deer running around behind me. Imagine that you're in a parking lot and you're searching and you're searching and you're searching for an empty parking space. Not having any luck. That's kind of what it's like right now to be in cybersecurity, trying to find the right talent, trying to find cybersecurity people, searching and searching and not coming up with anything. There are over 700,000 job openings right now in the U.S. in cybersecurity that need to be filled. The solution is upskilling. It's taking your current employees and turning them into cybersecurity professionals. And why you want to do this is because it's great for retention of your employees. When you get promoted and moved, then that's an organization you're willing to stay with to continue working for. If you don't have upward mobility, you tend to leave and find your upward mobility in another organization. How do you do this? How do you implement this? So first, if you're a cybersecurity leader, you need to identify potential candidates, people who are ripe for becoming cybersecurity professionals, because there's people already in your organization that already know the software that you're using, so they make great candidates. Once you identify the candidates, you assign them a mentor, somebody who in cybersecurity expert who can coach them and help them train up and help them get the skills that they need. Number 3 is you need to, as you're a cybersecurity leader, you need to support certifications. You need to help them prepare for their certification in cybersecurity exams. And next but not least is you need to give them actual work. People learn best by doing hands-on work. So that's how you solve your cybersecurity talent issue. Thank you all very much. If you like this video, click on like or click share it with on your feed. Thank you very much.